In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on NordVPN using a simple step-by-step process. It's straightforward, but the change does need to be requested through NordVPN's support page. So let's walk through it together. First, head over to the NordVPN support page. This is where you'll find the form required to request an email change. Once you're there, look for the email change request form and open it. Start by entering your current email address so NordVPN can identify your account. Then, enter the new email address you want to switch to. Make sure it's an email you check regularly since NordVPN will use it for all future communication. Next, you'll be asked to provide some verification details. This usually includes information like how much you paid for your subscription, the payment method you used, and the date of the payment. This step is simply to confirm that you're the rightful owner of the account. You'll also need to specify the new email or username you want to use going forward. If you use related services like NordPass or NordLocker, it's a good idea to mention that as well, since it can affect how your request is handled. In the description box, briefly explain why you want to change your email address. You can attach screenshots if they help support your request, but that part is optional. Once everything is filled out, review the details and submit the form. NordVPN may contact you if they need additional verification, so keep an eye on your inbox. After everything is confirmed, your email address will be updated, and you'll be all set. And if you're creating a new account or upgrading your plan, you can use my affiliate link in the description to get 74% off plus 3 extra months. That's the full process. I hope this guide helped, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.